Wade through the language. Understanding wade through in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, wade through. Understanding phrases like this is key to mastering the English language, and we're here to help you do just that. Let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of wade through. Wade through is an interesting phrase in English. It is used to describe the act of progressing through something that is challenging or difficult. This could be a physical task, like wading through a swamp, or a more figurative challenge, like wading through a complex book. The key idea is the effort and persistence required to move forward in a challenging situation. Let's look at how wade through is used in everyday language. Here are some examples. 1. I had to wade through a lot of paperwork to find the document I needed. 2. She is wading through the final chapters of her thesis. 3. We might wade through heavy traffic during rush hour. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to describe making progress through something difficult or time-consuming. Imagine someone trying to walk through a muddy river. Each step is slow and requires effort, but they keep moving forward. This imagery is a perfect representation of wading through challenges in life or tasks. When using wade through, remember, it's often used for figurative rather than literal scenarios. The phrase implies difficulty and effort. Don't confuse it with just walking or moving. It's specifically about dealing with challenges. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, wade through, and how you can use it in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is like wading through a river. It takes time and effort, but you'll make it through. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.